Hi, today I'm making a low carb egg breakfast burrito using this low carb tortilla. So it's pretty easy to do. What I have is a pan that I'm going to turn to medium heat and a little pat of butter just to give this a light grease. And with the egg, I have one egg, some cooked sausage, and you could add this separately, but sometimes I just like doing things all at once, so I'll add that to the egg. And I'll mix the egg while the pan is heating. Then when I finish up, I'll have cheese and salsa and salt and pepper to taste. So this is easy right here. Just scramble the egg and the meat together. The filling's already cooked. The only thing is raw is the egg. So while the egg is cooking, it'll heat the filling at the same time. So that's pretty mixed. If I didn't use the filling, I would add salt and pepper to the egg, but since the filling is pre-seasoned, I'll add salt and pepper to taste at the end. So with the, like I said, with the butter, I'm just basically giving this a light coating on the bottom. This will help fry the egg crepe, the keto tortilla, and also adds flavor. If you're using a regular tortilla, I'd use more butter so you could pan fry the tortilla and give it extra richness from the butter. So as the pan is heating, it's starting to bubble a little, so I'll add the tortilla. Basically, I'm going to heat both sides and kind of dry out this crepe a little. I don't know if you could see, but it's starting to steam. This is a pretty simple recipe. It's just egg and tortilla or whatever you want to use as a wrap. I'll just pour the egg on top of the tortilla and let it set a little, and then I'll flip it over and cook the egg. Slowly getting warm. Okay, it's been about a minute. I'm going to flip the tortilla over and heat the other side up. And give this another 30 seconds to a minute. Alright, it's been another minute. Flip this over. There's a little bit of browning going on. Now I'll add the egg on top. And the objective is try to keep this mixture within the tortilla. And just let the egg set. Just spread it out, spread it around, make sure everything's nice and even. This will take probably another minute. Sometimes I just use a fork and move it around just to see how set it is. See it setting around the edges. And now I'll flip it over. Just grab the edges, it's not as hot. Or you could use a spatula and flip it over. So I'll let the egg cook about a minute, then flip it back over, add the cheese and add salsa if you like. Okay, it's been about a minute. I'll flip this over. The egg has set and the Meat is warm, so now I'll sprinkle the cheese on top. Basically, use as much as you want. I just grabbed sort of like a handful. And salsa also, if you'd like. Just a little salsa, or you could put it on the plate. And before you serve, just roll this up. Sort of a cheesy keto egg wrap. Alright, an alternative is just without the eggs is just to heat up the keto tortilla, or you could use a regular tortilla and just add cheese and do sort of like a cheesy roll. Alright, this pan is pretty hot and it should go faster. Basically, I just brown one side, add the cheese again, and this time I'll have the salsa on the side. Spread it out and just use a spatula to roll. Ooh, nice and crispy. So that's the sort of like a cheesy roll-up tortilla. So now we have the breakfast burrito with egg and sausage and cheese and salsa, and this is just basically a tortilla with cheese rolled up. Alright, here's the finished breakfast egg tortillas and the cheese roll up. So this is the cheese roll up using the keto crepes. Just basically cheese rolled up, and I put some salsa on the side. That's pretty good. The main reason here is the egg and cheese and sausage roll up. So basically, here's the inner workings. Just roll it up and give it a bite. Self-contained meal. Flavorful. It gives the cauliflower crepe some extra thickness and flavor and heartiness. That's all pretty good. Easy to do. You could use regular tortillas. Give it a try.